Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI actions in the Unless platform, a groundbreaking development in artificial intelligence that's revolutionizing how machines interact with the world around them. We all learn to love large language models, whether as part of ChatGPT or used to query vast amounts of fragmented knowledge at work. But there's always been a limitation. These AI models could respond with words, but lack the ability to take real-world actions. To extend this functionality, programmers can write AI plugins, giving AI models access to external systems. Such plugins allow models to perform tasks like booking a ticket or sending an email. However, the AI would still communicate the results within their own chat interface with words. Enter Inless with its innovative solution, AI Actions. Unlike traditional plugins, AI Actions allow users to train models to perform visual actions instead of just responding with words. Through a user-friendly dashboard, our users can define a variety of actions that would trigger any sequence of web components without needing to write any code. Let me give you a very simple example. In the following video, the AI responds to a question. Part of its answer is the ability for you to see a video, which in turn activates a video player. In summary, AI actions offer a simple, user-friendly way to visually enhance AI functionality, allowing for direct manipulation of contextual elements. From improving customer service to augmenting whole new customer experiences, the possibilities are endless with AI actions. Imagine what it could do for the onboarding of new customers. If you want to know more, go to unless.com or contact us directly.